Two-story house. Dryer's on the first, coming out right over here. So I'm gonna clean it out. We're gonna make it better. All right, as much as I don't like these, and this is why. This ain't, it can't push enough air, man. This is old, antiquated technology, and the door hangs up every time. Man, okay. Jeez. Look at that, dude. Remember, there's a foundation well in here, guys. Look at that. Oh, man. I mean, guys. Look at that. Whew. All right, now it's time to go in and turn that machine back on. Hit that like button for me, guys. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Heck, I don't know, I think I'm getting close to like 200 videos now, man. So I've got a smorgasbord for you guys to watch. This one was bad though. This one was bad, but yeah, and share it across your socials, guys, if you can. And I also want to know what these hypes are about. I keep getting people telling me that they hyped my video. I still don't know what the heck that means. So if any of y'all know, please holler at your boy. All right, I'm gonna go inside, turn the machine on. We're gonna test some airflow. Let's, oh man, I can already hear it. Shoot, let's see. Oh my gosh, way better. Not even. I'm gonna call it 1240. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap this one up. I apologize. Evidently I lost a little bit of footage, but what can you do? What can you do? Steve, Almetal Dryer Vent, almetaldryervent.com. Check out my Periscope. It's great. It takes the place of the flex hose behind your dryer, screws to the wall, dryer back straight into it. Pull the dryer out as many times as you want. No more hopping over the back and all that other kind of fun stuff. So until next time, I'll catch you.